Welcome back to Get Fed by Prachi. Today we are making an Indian breakfast recipe, poha. Start by washing poha by applying light pressure. Repeat a couple of times and strain out the water, setting aside the washed poha. Heat up some oil and splatter mustard seeds, asafoetida, curry leaves, slit green chilies, and peanuts. Next add in diced potato. Once cooked halfway, add in diced onion, followed by salt and sugar. Mix in turmeric. Add the washed poha. Season with salt. Flavor with fresh coriander and lemon juice. To ensure poha is thoroughly cooked, pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of water along sides of the pan so the poha cooks well in the steam. And there we go, our poha is ready to be served alongside a piping hot cup of chai. Enjoy, bye.